We try to warn you. We have shouted from the rooftops for months, some people years, about Judge Gull and the Delphi case. Her conduct towards not just Rick Allen, but towards media as well. Content creators, as myself, as hundreds of others with a combined millions of views, try to tell legacy media, watch out. She will come for you. And you didn't listen. And what happened? She targeted you. Welcome to the show. During one of the first days of the trial against Rick Allen, of course, now legacy media shows up with the representatives, with photographs, with cars, with, well, the whole shebang, because this is a national news story. But has it been a national news story for the entirety of the 2 years that, well, more than 2 years Mr. Allen has been in jail? No. Local media, yeah, they have reported. But they have also, throughout this, obediently gotten the press releases from the prosecution and from officers and whatevers, and just obediently published it as if it was true. And now, when push comes to shove and the actual trial is ongoing, Judge Gull denied media coverage from inside the courtroom. She denied electronics in the courtroom, smartwatches, anything. She only allows pen and paper. Legacy media, the big channels, even statewide channels and papers and everything, they have the resources to fight back. They didn't. They only filed the obligatory please allow us in, and then did jack shit. And it seems like they didn't believe Judge Gull when she said she's going to do something about it if you try to do something. So, of course, legacy media shows up and does what they normally do. Of course, they're going to take pictures. Of course, they are looking around. Of course, they do that. And as of now, 4 members of legacy media has had their equipment taken and memory cards erased. Eric Arnold, Brian Delaney, Alex Martin, Mike Conroy, all got their equipment taken from them. Now, the circumstances surrounding this are mostly rumors. What did they actually do? At one point, somewhere on, as a rumor, one person had a camera with him into their courtroom. Yeah, not allowed. She banned it. One person allegedly took pictures of the bus that drove the jurors to court. And that is still outside of court. Judge Gull should only have what is regarded in the courthouse and at best the surrounding areas. And to the information that is floating around there, this was the bus drove by and into, and of course, as a photographer, whoever which one of these 4 it was, oh, here's a bus. Let's take a few pictures. It could have been anything. I don't know. But you always take pictures when just to get surrounding images and everything. Then you can blur things out. No, not with Judge Gull. Not with Judge Gull. Camera taken, memory card wiped. Not only the picture of the bus, or pictures. The entirety, all of it, gone. To me, of course, that is a First Amendment violation. Freedom of the press and everything, and press work products. At most, Judge Gull should have been able to do is withhold that equipment, those memory cards, until a hearing. No, she doesn't care. And we try to tell you guys in legacy media, Judge Gull will do anything to get non-exposure to this trial. Now, she can't do much about basic rule setting, but she still tries. And you didn't listen. You walked in there thinking this was as any other trial. Any other trial. No, it's not. Legacy media. You need to put your big girl panties on. You need to buckle up, because Judge Gull will do anything to get Richard Allen convicted. He already shown it for the past couple of years as being ahead of this prosecution against Richard Allen. What about Richard Allen? Do I know if he's guilty or not? I don't care if he's guilty or not. It is he getting a fair trial? And the answer is no. And one of the reasons he doesn't get a fair trial is the absolute lack of critical information and reporting from legacy media. We out here in the YouTube, the Rumble, the Twitter, the Twitch, the Kick, what only feed for fuck. I don't care. There are people everywhere, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere, for months and years trying to tell legacy media, you need to step up and take this seriously. Because even though more and more people turn to content creators to get their news, people in power still look to legacy media. That is what they think what matters. And therein lies the problem here, because legacy media thinks that people in power play by the rules. They don't. And now you found out in the Delphi case, where 4 people, members of the press, legacy media press, Eric Arnold, Brian Delaney, Alex Martin, Mike Conroy, was banned from the trial, got their equipment confiscated, and memory cards wiped clean. And we tried to tell you, we tried to warn you, and you didn't listen. And here we are. So legacy media, please listen, or else everybody will stop listening to you. Thank you for tuning in. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.